Do you know what this is? It's a luggage scale. If I would have had this, I could have saved myself a lot of hassle or $150 on my last trip. True story, showed up at the airport with two suitcases. One was 46 pounds, one was 51 pounds, but I didn't know that. When I went to weigh the suitcases, the airline said, hey, this extra suitcase, the one over 50 pounds, is going to cost me $150. So I put both suitcases on the ground, open them up right in the middle of the line, move stuff over, and then I ended up with a 49-pound and a 48-pound suitcase. In the end, all that could have been avoided if I had this scale. Let me show you how it works. I got my suitcase right here. I'm not sure how heavy it is. I'm going to take my scale. I'm going to turn it on. It'll be nice and bright, and the backlight will go off. You can see it's like probably says 0 right now. So you can see it's real bright for me. It's hard to see on the camera. I'm going to wrap this around, clip it on, and all I do is I lift it straight up, and I hold it there for a second, and it'll lock in, and it just locked in at 8.2 pounds. So this scale is this piece of luggage is 8.2 pounds. So I got plenty of weight in there. It works great. I can even go ahead and change it from between unit to kilogram to Celsius. So I can also check the temperature and Fahrenheit, and then back to pounds. Real nice and easy. You can zero it out by holding that once, or you can hold the whole thing down and it turns it off. Real nice and easy. It does have a little battery pack in the back for little button batteries, and it does come with a little screwdriver for taking that off. I've never had one of these things run out of batteries, so it'll be good for years. That's all there is to it. Super simple. You can even, it's light enough to even throw it in your suitcase and take it on your trip, so that when you're away, when you're ready to come back home, you fill your suitcases up, you weigh them both, make sure they're under the 50 limit or whatever the limit is for the airline. Go ahead, throw this back into your bag, and you're good to go. It's a great time-saving, convenient little feature. It's super small, easy to use. I love it. Highly recommended.